it's Jennifer Elizabeth with Prairie Peak Lou's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Oh my goodness, I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys today, and this Dollar Tree haul is just really cool. I'm in love with all the new items that I'm finding in Dollar Tree. It's mind-blowing, actually. I'm so excited for 2023. Happy New Year, everyone. Oh my goodness, 2022 went by kind of in a flash. I feel like it just really flew by. I'm really hoping 2023 will be good to all of us. I feel like 2022 just gave us all a ton of curveballs that we weren't expecting. But I am so excited for 2023. I have so many amazing ideas for this channel. I'm so excited to share them with you. I just cannot wait to see how everything unfolds this year. It's super exciting. And this stuff and the items I found in Dollar Tree are they're just amazing. What I'm going to share with you today are mainly fairy garden pieces and then a couple of Valentine's Day and items from the spring line, as well as a few knickknacks. And then I have another Dollar Tree haul that I'm going to release that is all of Valentine's Day. I cannot wait to share that one with you as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. Look at this. I don't even know. I have no words. 45 pieces of these little laser woodcut spring butterflies, flowers, and leaves. I'm in shock. And look at this cute little box that it comes in it, and I love that it's so thin and compact, totally easy to store. I can't believe this. This was $1.25, you guys. So excited. Keep an eye out for this because I feel like this is gonna fly off the shelves. So I found these coconut winterberry paper facial masks. Oh my goodness, you guys. I got the wipes, you know, the facial wipes. I love them. I love Bolero facial wipes. I use them all the time to remove makeup or just to wipe my face at the beginning or the end of the day. They're so refreshing. But this coconut winterberry, they actually had a full line of products there. I was so excited. It was in a pre-pack. And I decided to get the facial and I decided to try the mask. I think it's going to be so cute. And speaking of masks, the next video you see after this one will most likely be my Mask Monday video. So I thought that this would be an amazing mask. I cannot wait to try it. I will definitely review it in one of my upcoming Mask Monday videos. So definitely keep an eye out for that. And there's going to be some surprises in those Mask Monday videos as well. So definitely worth checking them out, I must say. So let's get started with these fairy garden pieces. They had summer fairy garden pieces, which is basically beach and island theme. And they had the Valentine's Day Love Collection fairy garden pieces. So I hauled the full set of fairy garden Valentine's Day. I think they were calling it Sweets Collection last year. So I have every single piece. I decided not to haul much of the, I think I only hauled one piece from the piece from the Valentine's Day collection this year. However, I did haul a lot of the pieces for the summer beach theme because I did not get a chance to get those last year. And I'm kind of glad I waited because these are amazing. Look at this. The turtle with the coral. You can even see there's a shell there. The adorable little flamingo. And let's see, I'm just pulling these out of the bag, so I'm not even sure what's next. Okay, so this might be one of the spring collection. This might be a Valentine's Day one, but I had to get it because I love the ladybug. I just think it's so beautiful. And the tea kettle. And I actually don't have a tea kettle yet, I don't think, in my fairy garden collection. So got that one. Now this, guys, look at this. They actually had two little boats that are so adorable. And then they had one in a pack with, I think, a pelican. I got all three. I just think these are amazing. I love the detail. And I think they're so cute. I don't have any boats either, I don't think, in my fairy garden collection. So very excited. And here we got a VW wagon little camper. Love it. How to get this. And I love the surfboard on top. Let's see, lots of ASMR as I reach into the bag. Here we go. Oh yes. Now this could be a Valentine's Day piece. Not really sure, but look at the little chicken coop. How cute is this? I had to get it. I don't have anything like that either. So I don't have a little chicken coop in my collection like this. And I love that. Look at, you can see the grade of the cage. Look, you can even see the detail of the wire, the chicken wire right there on the coop. So very cool. And let's see. Oh yes, and then next I got this. The camper. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. I love it. How cute is that? So adorable. So those, we're going to take a break now from Fairy Garden. I do have more pieces, but I just remembered that I do have, like I said, a few Valentine's Day pieces. So let me show you the 2 pieces that I got in this haul. These are, look at this, not a 5-piece color your own ornament. It's actually an 8-piece, which is awesome. So they give you more pieces. I love that. I mean, at least you can just, I love that because I'm not so happy about the $1.25. Normally, I'm not so happy about the $1.25, but when I see stuff like this, I'm not that upset. When I see stuff like this, I'm like, okay, well, at least they're giving us more for our money now. So yeah, these are great for DIYs. Can't say enough about the Dollar Tree DIYs. And then look at this right here. How cute are these? So these little kits do not come with the markers or anything like that, but that's totally fine. They come with the string if you want to use it as an ornament or however you would like to use it. Another thing you can do with these is you can even like hot glue magnets back there or something and use them like that. Tons of uses for these. So, and again, this is an 8-piece. Now some more Fairy Garden pieces. Look at this. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love the detail. I think it's so nice. There's a couple more pieces in here. Let me see. Then I got these. Now these are probably from the Valentine's Day, I would say. But it says Love Garden, Enjoy Time, and Sweet Home. I love these. These are so cute, these little stones that have the sayings on them. I just think they're so darling. Now, a couple other items that are not Fairy Garden, and then we'll show you the last Fairy Garden pieces to end the haul. I picked up this Vaseline Lip Therapy Cocoa Butter. So yeah, tis the season, and I just think these are amazing to have. I always stock up on different types of lip moisturizers, things like that when I find them. So yeah, so I don't remember seeing this one before. It might not be necessarily new to the stores. Maybe I just wasn't paying attention or looking in the right places, but I thought this would be a great item to purchase. I like to stock up on this type of stuff, especially in the winter months. And then I found this one as well. Vanilla Bean Lip Balm, Vitamin E and Aloe softens and moisturizes. Provides long-lasting moisturizing lip care. Yes, please. That's what we need. And another new item. So I found this. Salt Range Himalayan Pink Salt Bath Salt. 100% naturally pure, up to 84 plus minerals. And this is a really nice size bag too. It's a full pound. I love the packaging. I think it looks so nice, so like high-end almost, with the decorations, and even looks like it's a mason jar with the cute little lid right there. So I think this is so cute. Of course, it's resealable. They love it. I love it when they do that. They usually almost always do when you find Epsom salts and things like that. But I thought that this would be a really nice item to have. You never know when you're going to have muscle aches or you're just really, really tired or stressed. It's perfect to detoxify and for soaking. It's also, you can use this for so many other things. But I always like to use this for things like if you have muscle aches or just to de-stress, decompress, things like that. I think that this is just, it really, really, really is relaxing. And you don't even need to take a full bath. You can even do like you don't even need to take a full bath, actually. You can even do like a foot soak or things like that. Helps. It's amazing. Now we're going to finish off the haul with a few more Fairy Garden pieces. See, this is what I'm talking about. How cute is this right here? This little ship. It's so, so cute. Okay. It's so, look how cute this little ship is. It's absolutely adorable. And the little pelican right there. So, so cute. And we have, let's see. Oh, something from the spring collection. I totally forgot that these were in here. And I have 2 more items from the spring collection before we finish off this haul with Fairy Garden, with the last Fairy Garden pieces. So look how cute these little woodcraft 3D bugs are. I am in shock. I love them. Adorable little bees and ladybugs. And I like that they have the little stickies on them too. These are just precious. I was shocked. For $1.25, again, I'm like, okay, I can see why you're doing the $1.25 because you're giving us some new items that are a lot higher quality, I think. So, and again, you're getting 12 pieces in here for $1.25. I think that's awesome. These guys are on a clip strip. And there's one more little boat in this collection. And here it is, guys. How cute is this? You can see the chain right there. And you can see all the details. And that is Gianni right beside me making some. You can see the chain right there. The little life preserver. Just so cute. I love the detail. I love the color. Now these guys, I saved my favorites for last. I think these are just amazing. Look at this mermaid. How beautiful with the shells on this big rock right here. So stunning. And then this guy too. Oh my goodness, this little octopus. I love him. I love the color. I love that you can see the little suction cups on his tentacles. How adorable. And his eyes too. Look at that. He's so cute. Guys, oh my goodness. Look at this. How cute is this seahorse with the seagrass and the coral, the shells. So adorable. And the last piece right here, I love it. It's like a little fairy garden sand castle house. How cute. I love the blue door and the pink and the little flag. Yes, please, and thank you, Dollar Tree. Like with this stuff right here, if this is a preview of what 2023 is going to be, I am so excited. I just cannot wait. And just keep this awesome stuff coming, Dollar Tree. And with all that being said, that does conclude today's Dollar Tree haul. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload. And every time I upload, have a wonderful day and Happy New Year. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.